Our new patient, Wild Strawberry. That's your nickname.
At least it's not Daryl Strawberry.
Well, what's wrong with Daryl Strawberry? Oh, it's already taken, right? It's not a nickname.
Yeah.
All right, you're a new patient. You're a new patient. Welcome to our clinic. You came here because you have these things under your arm. We counted 11 of these. You have them in some other places, but we're going to work at the axilla or the armpit first, right? And you actually had some over here that you worked on yourself. Okay, folks, just come on into your doctor. We can help you with this stuff.
Don't do this at home.
Don't do this to yourself, right? Keep your arm up there. We've got these all circled that we're going to do. We're going to use liquid nitrogen minus 320 degrees Fahrenheit. Did you know it was that cold?
No.
I saw that look of surprise on your face. All right, we're going to freeze all of these twice. We're just going to video freezing them once.
Okay.
So we're going to freeze them, and what they'll do is they'll get kind of red and irritated. They'll swell up a little bit for a few days, then they'll dry up and fall off. Right? Okay. And it takes a few weeks. They'll heal up. They'll be fine, and then you can come back in, and we can work on other places. You've got some other spots we're going to work on next time. Right?
Yep.
You with me?
Yes.
Why'd you come to our clinic, and why didn't you have your old clinic do this?
They didn't have an opening, and my cousin switched to this.
Well, we're glad to have you. With a name like Wild Strawberry.
Yeah.
You know. All right, you ready? It's going to be cold. One.
Ooh, it's turning white.
2. 3. This is a little bigger one. The larger ones, you have to be sure you get the base of the stalk. Oh, you're doing good, my man. Let me switch sides now. Was it as cold as you thought it was going to be?
No.
Oh no!
We used it all up.
I tried to put.
You put enough in. Well, maybe not. Okay. Obviously, we're running low on liquid nitrogen right now. No, we have enough to do this the first time. All right, and we'll get some more for the second round. Okay, so we're going to do them all twice. This is the first time we're going to wait a few minutes for them to thaw.
Okay.
So we want 2 complete freeze-thaw cycles, okay?
Hey folks, you spoke and we listened. Here's what you had to say about Meta 7.
I love it so much. It gives me so much energy during the day.
I've noticed a change in my hair, my nails, my blood pressure.
There's no doubt that it's a benefit to me. It gives me more stamina.
And it could actually help you lose weight.
Now, I haven't taken a nap in 6 months.
That's right, Meta 7. More and more people are sending in their testimonials. Weight loss, more energy, and generally feeling more alert during the day. Let's hear more.
I used it to help wean myself off caffeine and energy drinks, and my productivity has been very high lately.
It's natural, it's amazing. I feel motivated to get out and do things that I didn't before.
I'm not tired during the day. I've worked 12-hour shifts.
Just go, go, go all day. It makes me feel great. I love it, and take it. It's wonderful stuff.
If you haven't tried Meta 7 yet, it's time to order yours from Amazon. Time to boost your metabolism and kick your energy level into high gear. There's an Amazon link in the description.